What is up, apocalyptic hippie gang? What is up? What is up? Today I am installing a wig, and I basically just want to show y'all my step by step. That's not in a long form. I used the quick weave protective shield to protect my edges when I install my wigs, and it's been working just fine. I've been doing it for the last few installs that I've been installing, so this has been protecting my edges. This is the unit. I have installed her before, but I call her my pride wig because she's low-key bisexual colors. So yeah, let me get prepared using this, and then I'll be right back. I'm real nervous because since the last time I put this wig on, my locks have grown significantly, so they're longer and bulkier, and I don't know how it's gonna fit on my head. Sorry. Oh, I'm also going to spray the inside of the lace with my lace tinting spray. And I'm going to let that dry. I'm also going to take a kabuki brush and help spread it around in there.